Hey, Al, will you go get some of those little ones in back and just put them by the food? I don't know what they think they're going to eat the litter. Yeah, just the ones in the box, the litter box. Put them by the food so they can see where it is. Look at that one's already got food on his head. Walk around that way.
What's the other one? He's chewing on it.
It's because they don't realize what it's for yet. It's just pine pellets. It's not going to hurt them. Put them right by the food so they see where the food is.
Smell the food.
Once they all get it, they'll get it.
Even though.
Yep, any of them that are not by the food, put them right in front of it, like the others are. Once they realize it's there, they'll... There you go. Thank you.
First one, next one, first two. Okay, flip it over. They're not that messy.
No, this is like the second or third time they've eaten, so they're starting to get it.